If you're wondering whether the recent extreme weather conditions around you are because of climate change, you're probably right. Both July and August are important months for the southwest monsoon that contribute over two-thirds of the seasonal rainfall over India. But India's southern peninsula received 29% more rainfall than normal. Even in Western Europe, countries like Belgium, Germany, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands received up to 2 months of rain in just 2 days. More and more climate scientists are saying that extreme rainfall is a direct fallout of global warming and climate change.
For about every degree of warming, there's on average around 6 to 7% more water in the air, 6 to 7% more water in the air. And so it usually is going to mean you're going to see more extreme rainfall as the planet's been warming.
What Donner is saying is that as the global surface temperature rises, the atmosphere heats up, and a warmer atmosphere increases its capacity to hold more moisture. More moisture in the air leads to the formation of larger clouds that result in more rain. A German climate research institute has found that with every degree's rise in temperature, monsoon rainfall over India will likely increase by 5%. While India's southern peninsula has received extreme rainfall over the last 20 days or so, the northeast region recorded a 14% deficit in the same period. This is unusual because India's northeast is widely known for heavy rain. But the monsoon pattern over the northeast will become clearer after the northeast monsoon or the winter monsoon hits the region from October to December. Nonetheless, a growing body of evidence points to a decreasing rainfall trend in the region. A study published in January this year by scientists at IIT Kharagpur analyzed rainfall measurement data from 1901 to 2019 at rain god stations in northeast India. The scientists found that since 1973, the northeast has had decreasing annual rainfall. They said that the decline is because of changes in the temperature of the Indian Ocean and the conversion of forest land for other purposes. They also said that the altered trend is why the world's wettest place changed from Cherrapunji to Mawsynram in recent decades. The study doesn't categorically pin the blame on climate change, but one of the scientists said that they're still collecting long-term, multi-decadal data to delineate the impact of climate change over the Northeast. The country's weather department is not in charge of collecting such long-term data, and individual extreme weather events like the rainfall this year in India and Germany are becoming more and more difficult for weather forecasters to predict. Apart from excessive rainfall, experts have also started attributing wildfires and heat waves in some of the coldest places on Earth to climate change. But what's the science behind that? Stay tuned for more videos from The Wire Science.